In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy XRP on the Revolut app. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that your internet connection is stable so everything updates in real time. On the main screen, look for the search bar right at the top, tap it and type XRP. You'll see results grouped by category. Select the cryptocurrency labeled XRP to open its detail page. Here, you'll find a live price chart, recent performance, and the main action buttons. At the bottom of the screen, tap Buy. This takes you to the purchase screen where you can enter the amount you want to purchase. You can also choose the currency you want to pay with. Just switch it to the balance you prefer to use. Revolut supports fractional purchases, so you don't need to buy a whole unit. A small amount is fine. Double check that your selected currency has enough funds, and remember that if it's different from your base currency, Revolut will handle the conversion automatically, which can slightly affect the total. Next, tap Review Order. This is the moment to carefully check the details. You'll see the estimated amount of XRP you'll receive, the exchange rate, and the fee breakdown. Fees are proportionally lower for larger purchases, so you'll often get better value per unit at higher amounts. Make sure you're buying XRP, confirm the paying currency, and verify the total, including fees. Because crypto prices move quickly, the rate may refresh, so review steadily, but don't wait too long if you're happy with the numbers. When everything looks right, tap Confirm Order. The purchase will process. Usually within a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation on screen, and your newly purchased XRP will appear in your Revolut crypto wallet inside the app. From the XRP page, you can view your balance, monitor price changes, and see details like your average cost. If you plan to buy again later, you can return to this same XRP page and repeat the process. For your records, consider keeping a note of the confirmation or checking your transaction history in the crypto section whenever you need it. And a quick reminder, cryptocurrencies can be volatile and may not be protected in the same way as traditional deposits, so only invest what you're comfortable with. That's all there is to it. Open the Revolut app, search for XRP, tap Buy, set your amount and currency, review the order and fees, and confirm you've just completed your XRP purchase in a few simple taps.